This is Rockcut State Park. Oh wow, that's pretty. I gotta find out. There's only 4 campgrounds here, but they're right by the water. Gotta like it. Okay, so we're all set up camp. Everyone in this winter camping group decided to go on a hike. I wanted to kind of hang out here. Looks like we got enough wood for the night. A lot of people have tents. Well, there's 2 tents, me and hers. And then here's my hammock setup. Okay, so here is the hammock setup. I noticed one of the stakes went down. It's not as bad as my last hike. But yeah. And here is my hammock. I decided to do an over cover too, but I have my hammock gear incubator, as well as my down sleeping bag and some clothes. I did extend the sides out here. Shock cord works really well. And these are how I pull out the middle ties. I have it, I tied both loops together and then wrapped it around this middle one, which goes straight to the wood. Pretty cold. It was pretty cold out here, and it was until I got the fire going. I'm pretty good at making the fire now. I'm just gonna let keep a pot of hot water over the fire until the next until the rest of the group come in here. There's the geese flying away here. There they are. So this is the penny stove. Oh, fine. Wow. I know, this is really cool. And thanks, Scott.
Oh, you're very welcome.
Oh yeah. Wow. Well, this is a Rockcut State Park in the morning. It's just as beautiful as during the day. So this is my over cover. It's just an emergency blanket with a reflective end in it. It kept me warm, but damn, the condensation was so bad. I never realized the condensation was like what you guys are talking about. My sleeping bag was pretty wet. Well, it's the morning. It's not that windy, and it's absolutely beautiful. I'm the first one awake now, but I'm gonna make some coffee.